All right, y'all. So your girl has a confession. Y'all see that title? This is my last attempt to try to see what I can do to revitalize my curls. Cause baby, it's just not curling. It's not happening because neglect for one. And I put all this stuff in my hair, like color. I did that last year in April and it was fine. It was fine. It was fine. But by not taking care of it, as well as doing that texturizer, I think just did me in, as well as all the hormones that was going on when I was pregnant. I told myself right now is the time to experiment. So if you want color, get color. If you want to straighten your hair, straighten your hair. If you want to do a texturizer, do a texturizer. Just because I knew I probably was gonna have to start over anyways because of all the back and forth with my hormones. I was on birth control, then off birth control, and then with me having a kid, I was on folic acid and all that other stuff and had to stop my ashwagandha. So a lot of stuff has been entering and exiting my body. So with all those hormonal changes comes with craziness with my hair, plus neglecting it because like I said, I didn't feel like doing anything with my hair while I was pregnant. So it was basically in a ponytail. And now that I'm trying to really take care of it and have time to take care of it, looks like it's beyond repair. This is going to be my last attempt. If this doesn't work, be prepared to see a big chop video coming sometime in the next few weeks, months, or whatever. So my attempt is going to be with the AZTEC clay. I don't know if y'all can see it. It's focusing on me. Indian healing clay. And apple cider vinegar with the mother. Those were my go-to. When I first went natural, I was trying to do a pick-me-up with my curls. Y'all, it got me right every single time. My curls started growing, was healthier, that good old cleanse and all that. I'm about to attempt it again today and we're gonna see if it works. So first, I'm not gonna wash my hair or anything because this is going to actually cleanse and clarify my hair. I'm about to mix it right now. I have a spoon and a bowl. Make sure you don't use metal. But yeah, since I'm not gonna wash my hair, I'm just gonna wet my hair because I want my curls to show. This is what it looks like. You can see down here I still have a little wave or a little curl pattern. Just very small, very faint. But up here, it's a whole mess. I'm gonna go ahead and get started. Try to detangle it before too. I didn't really do a good job, I don't think, of detangling it. So just take it. I'm gonna just show y'all like the short process of it. And you just do it all over your head because I need some music. I can't just be sitting up on it. You'll just take some, and I did mix a little bit of water. I added more to it, and then I mixed some water in it too. Put it in like so, and don't be afraid to get it into your scalp. Yeah, I probably should have detangled a little bit more, or at least used product to detangle it because it feels like it's already kind of drying on me, which is not okay. That was a process, especially with the detangling too. So yes, I would highly suggest you detangle your hair before you do this. Don't necessarily shampoo it, wash it, because I think shampooing will make it super dry, which it don't need to be super dry. But I would definitely say when you wet your hair, use like a pre-poo and try to detangle it as much as you can. Or if you need a pre-poo, I should have used pre-poo because I definitely needed a pre-poo. But this is the ending outcome. I actually did use that whole bowl. I see a little bit of curl pattern at the bottom. The top, it does not look too promising, but we will see. I am going to leave it in for probably 45 minutes to an hour trying to not get on the couch or anything crazy, which honestly it don't even matter because our couch is already kind of ruined. Between Snuggles and baby boy Remy, there's nothing we can do about that. It doesn't really have a time for it. It's mainly once it dries. When it dries, it's supposed to get really hard and you're not supposed to touch it, manipulate it, or anything like that. Once it gets like that, I'm gonna rinse it out, condition it, which I think I'm gonna go in with, I don't know, I got options. This was my OG back in the day when I first went natural and it did my curls wonders, which is the OGX Coconut Miracle Oil. Alright guys, that is it for this video. As you can see, my hair is all done, but I don't think it's gonna cut it. I'm gonna have to cut it. It looks okay for right now, but I know just the way it looks right now, whenever it dries, it's not gonna dry correct. Yeah, so I know once it dries, this part is just gonna be puffy, no curl pattern. This may still have a curl pattern or maybe not, but as I was doing it, I'm noticing, look at this damage. Y'all see that? And it's all at the top like that. So 9 times out of 10, it's like I really don't want to cut it all off. Like I would rather grow it out some more and then cut it, but then at the same time I know how aggravated I got when I was trying to grow out my hair before I did the big chop. And once I did the big chop, I'm like, I should have did that a long time ago. So I don't know, y'all tell me what y'all think. Y'all think I should grow it out some more and then cut it, or I should just work on it, or I should just go ahead and get that cut done? It's been such a long journey too. It's been a good 9 years, I think. Yeah, because I cut my hair in 2016. Once I do big chop again, if I decide to, which I probably will, I ain't putting nothing in my hair. And nothing crazy in my system, like birth control. Like, that I think really did me in, because that's when I really started noticing the change in my hair. I got on it, and then when I got off of it, it was 2 drastic things that took my hair from moisturized to super dry, hard to manage. And then it didn't help that I wasn't taking care of it as I should have while I was pregnant. And I'm pretty sure the color as well as the texturizer didn't help either, especially the texturizer, because the color I could deal with and it was looking pretty nice. And even my texturizer, after my texturizer maybe a month, it was looking pretty good. But then I start noticing that when I wash it, when it dries, it just loses all form. It just gets puffy, and then I have to put it in a ponytail. Oh well, we live and we learn, don't we? Like I said, 9 times out of 10, I'm probably gonna go ahead and chop it off. And I had already prepared myself for that before I even did my texturizer. I'm not disappointed. I might shed a little tear once I cut it, but other than that, I'm good. I might cut it into a little style, like maybe a bob or something where I can do a protective styles like I did when I first was going natural. That's what really I feel like grew my hair. I did a lot of wigs, a lot of wigs. So I had my hair protected underneath, moisturized, and it held moisture really well whenever I cut it. And it was virgin hair. That's probably what I'm gonna try to do. Maybe get it braided or braid it myself and put it in a wig. Find 2-3 solid wigs that I can wear. Yeah, that's probably what it's gonna be. But thank you so much for watching and tuning into this video, and please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I do want to thank y'all because I think I'm at 344 subscribers right now. Yes, we're working our way up to that 500, y'all. So keep liking it up, keep subscribing, and we're gonna get there before you know it. We have goals, y'all. We have goals. So I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye. So this is actually an update. This is the weekend after the video of me doing my hair, and I don't think I'm gonna cut it. No, I think I'm gonna just treat it until I feel like I'm back and trim it. And the reason why is, this probably gonna sound so crazy to y'all, but honestly, I don't think my hair likes shampoo. I don't think it likes shampoo. Because when I first started going natural, I was using shampoo, but it kept frizzing up my hair, like right here at the root and at the top, which is where you put the shampoo, right? But I stopped doing that, and I started putting conditioner in my hair to wash it. Like, I literally would go wet my hair all the way, 4 sections, and use conditioner. And the conditioner that I used was the OGX Miracle Moisture. I think it's called Miracle Moisture or Miracle Oil, something like that. And so I'm like, let me try and do that like I used to do it. Detangle with it in the shower, and then put it up, and then I go back around. I'll rinse it out and put the leave-in conditioner and wrap it back up until I'm out. And as y'all can see, my curls are defined. And as I'm going through my hair to add the gel and moisture to it, it's like, okay, I can feel it tapered down a little bit back there. Like, it's not all rusty crusty feeling. I don't know how to explain it, but sometimes when I do it, I'm like, yeah, I know it's not gonna dry right. It's gonna be just a frizzy crazy mess, like, already with the product in it. Yeah, it felt very moisturized this time, so we're going to see. But this is what it's looking like right now. It all depends on if it dries, but well, when it dries. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just keep trimming it, like, ever so often. Like, I need to trim now, actually. Trim it ever so often until like all of it kind of falls out and all that stuff. So it grows out and all that. But yeah, I just wanted to give y'all an update, and when it dries, I'll probably try to show y'all that update too, which is probably gonna be tomorrow or something, or maybe this afternoon. So y'all, it's almost dry, and look at my curls. Curls for the girls. Oh my goodness. Yeah, so I'm glad I didn't cut it. Pay attention to the arm. Y'all, for some reason, Remy loves being sideways sometimes. And sometimes I gotta, but he finally figured out how, look at him. He finally figured out how to get his thumb in his mouth, and he has to go to the thumb. The thumb doesn't go to him. So yeah, that's what's happening right now. Stay here with me. I'm about to feed you. Let mommy go feed my baby.